All right, let's jump right into this explainer. We're breaking down the professional data strategy guide for mastering Outlier in 2026. For a really long time, the remote work landscape has been completely cluttered with platforms promising decent income, but kind of failing to deliver. But the rules of AI model training have fundamentally changed, and the strategy you need to succeed has totally evolved right along with it. So let's look at exactly what separates the casual users from the highly paid experts today.
Right off the bat, we have to talk about this massive pay gap because it completely shatters the myth that Outlier is just another run-of-the-mill microtasking site. The reality for most folks who jump in without a strategy, it's a brutal grind for a mere $5 an hour. But contrast that with senior data professionals, they're commanding $40 or more per hour. That top-tier earning potential is very, very real. The problem is, most people get stuck on the low end because they fundamentally misunderstand what the platform actually demands from them now.
So you're probably wondering, is Outlier actually still worth your time in 2026? Well, the data suggests the answer depends entirely on your mindset. If you're logging on expecting to just click a few buttons and make easy money, the answer is absolutely not. No way. But if you're ready to make that transition from a basic worker to an actual expert, it's highly lucrative. It really all comes down to understanding the technical evolution of how AI is being trained right now. To understand that evolution, you just need to know 4 letters, RLHF. That stands for Reinforcement Learning from Human Feedback. The old days of simply identifying a stop sign in a blurry photo, yeah, those are completely over. Today's AI models are incredibly sophisticated. They need genuine human experts to essentially act like a teacher, grading a genius student's homework. We have to correct their logic and provide really nuanced feedback. This requires a significantly higher level of human expertise, and that shift is exactly why the earning potential has skyrocketed for people who can adapt. Okay, so how do you survive the platform's quality trap? It's absolutely crucial to master this strict 3-step feedback loop. Step 1, you have to closely examine your reviewer comments. Ignoring your quality scores is just a fatal mistake. Step 2 is adjusting your logic and metadata based directly on those comments. For example, a recent case showed SQL metadata tagging rules shifting literally overnight. If you don't instantly adapt your logic to match those new reviewer comments, your page just plummets. Mastering this loop is how you finally reach Step 3.
Because here's the reality, failing to adapt to that feedback guarantees a flagged account. You can't just put your head down, power through tasks, and hope for the best. If you refuse to intercept errors and fix your logic, the system will instantly label you as a low-quality contributor. It is entirely unforgiving. Refusing to learn from the feedback loop is exactly when most accounts get permanently ruined.
But when you do successfully integrate that feedback, you achieve what the industry calls ground truth. Reaching this level of precision is the ultimate goal. Why? Because this flawless data integrity is what clients are actually buying. Think about it. AI companies are pouring millions of dollars into these models. They literally cannot afford for their foundational training data to be sloppy. If you're the professional consistently providing ground truth accuracy, you become an incredibly valuable asset to them.
This shift completely changes the business logic driving the entire industry. The platform no longer needs an endless supply of Tier 1 generalists sitting at the bottom of the pyramid. In fact, those opportunities are shrinking pretty rapidly. The new goal is to climb. They're scaling toward high-tier model training, actively seeking out Tier 2 specialists and Tier 3 consultants. If you want to unlock those high hourly rates, this is the exact career trajectory you have to follow.
So how do you actually make that jump up to the consultant tier? It's simple. Speak the AI's language. If you can handle specialized SQL or Python tasks, your value on the platform spikes by a massive 300%. That's huge. Because RLHF needs high-level human expertise to correct code-generating AI models, these skills are in incredibly high demand right now. It completely transforms your earning potential. All right, let's do a quick quiz to test your instincts as an AI trainer. Imagine a real scenario. Do you rush for the cash or do you focus on precision? Picture this. You're working on the platform, and a project pops up, offering a very tempting $15 bonus. But it comes attached to a super strict 10-minute timer. The pressure is totally on. What's your strategic move here? Do you race against the clock to grab that quick bonus, knowing your work might be kind of sloppy? Or do you ignore the timer to make sure your work meets that ground truth standard we just talked about?
Well, actually, the correct answer is always accuracy. Prioritizing speed is going to destroy your quality score and completely cut off your income stream. You absolutely have to prioritize account longevity above all else. Snagging a quick $15 bonus is totally meaningless if the resulting poor quality work gets your account flagged, right? Because that locks you out of future $40 an hour tasks. Accuracy is, for sure, your absolute best shield.
Now, even with perfect accuracy, you still might log in and face the dreaded empty queue. It's the ultimate panic moment, isn't it? You've done everything right, your quality score is flawless, you know your SQL inside and out, so why is there zero work? Is the platform dead? Well, usually no. It's actually a strict technical bottleneck that's just preventing those high-tier tasks from reaching your specific dashboard.
Overcoming this bottleneck is kind of your final test. First, you have to recognize that an empty queue is an error to be solved, not a dead end. Second, apply the platform's specific technical fixes to refresh your standing. And finally, get your dashboard back online so you can resume those high-paying tasks. Troubleshooting your own account isn't just an annoyance anymore, it's literally just part of the professional job description now.
So what's the ultimate verdict here? Honestly, Outlier is terrible for easy money, but it is highly rewarding if you build genuine data integrity. If you're just looking for a quick buck with minimal effort, you're going to end up flagged and frustrated. The true value comes from adopting this mindset. Build expertise, not just income. You have to constantly upgrade your skills and stay laser-focused on delivering absolute precision.
As we wrap up this explainer, let's look at the big picture. We know the strategy now, right? Master the feedback loop, achieve ground truth, and constantly upskill. Take a really hard look at where you sit on that pyramid right now. Because as AI gets smarter, these platforms are only going to demand more from us. The real question is, are you ready to train the AI, or are you going to let the algorithm leave you behind?